very close to music. मुझे इतना म्यूज़िक समझ नहीं आता, मैं थोड़ा सा टोन डेफ हूँ. मुझे सब गाने अच्छे लगते हैं, कोई स्पेसिफिकली नहीं, but sometimes I take on to songs and my choices vary from सूरज हुआ मध्यम, which is my own, to हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, to Billy Joel songs, to lots of them, whatever other people are hearing. So I kind of I'm not very choosy. I like all kind of music. Yeah, I like that song from Ashiki 2. What is it? Sun Raha Hai Na Tu and Tum Hi Ho. And I also like Titli. I always tell people कि जो excuses और reasons होते हैं, जब failure का कोई excuse मिलता है तो उसके लिए वो चलता है. जब success का reason देते हैं तो बहुत सारे reason बना देते हैं. तो मुझे मालूम नहीं सफलता का राज क्या है. मैं खुश हूँ कि मैं सफल हूँ, बट ये एक मेरी नेचर है कि मैं जो काम करता हूँ उस वक्त मुझे लगता है दुनिया भर में और कोई काम नहीं हो रहा, बस वही हो रहा. सवाल का तो मुझे अगर मीनिंग समझा देगा मैं इसका आंसर दे दूंगा कि यही वो वजह है कि मैं हर काम जो करता हूँ उसी वक्त करता हूँ, इसलिए फ़ोटो अलाउड नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. जो तुम न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ते हो, रेडियो स्टेशंस पर सुनते हो और जो तुम्हारे चैनल पे दिखाते हो, उसमें कुछ भी सच नहीं होता. First, I don't think it is true because I have a team. So if I agree to what you're saying, then I'm fixing matches too, and it's not true. And sports के अंदर, not only here, everywhere in the world, there are always going to be instances. There are always going to be bad eggs who are going to do things in every field of life. So it happens. But I think IPL is a fantastic thing. I don't think the people who like it, they're going to change because of the controversies. And the proof is that in the last 5 years, every year there has been a controversy, and IPL keeps on going on. So I hope it gets cleaned up. Obviously, nobody wants anything which is wrong, if there is any. The authorities are there to check on it. But besides that, I don't think it's going to affect the game itself.
I am here to brush up on all the beautiful music that has happened last year, because I missed out on a lot of films, but music is something that I do listen to. So, I want to refresh all that. Yes, very much. I'm ready with it. I have my favorite three. Ashiki goes without saying. The first one would be Manja. I really like that song. The second would be I also like Tu Rang Sharbaton Ka. That would be my third choice. And the second one would be I just remembered it. I'm forgetting it. Extremely. I love soulful Sufi. I love when I love to dance. I love Badtameez Dil also. That's what the question was right now. So I said I love those songs as well. But when it comes to your most favorite, then it's soulful. I think cricket तो नशा है हमारे देश में. तो of course कोई भी नशा छोड़ना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आप जानते भी हैं, समझते भी हैं, फिर भी नहीं छोड़ पाते हैं. तो I think एक वो एंगल है इसमें. लेकिन of course I would like it if we get more ethical and reasonable about it. जहाँ पे एक तरफ, बिकॉज मैंने फिल्म भी की है एक हॉकी पे, और मेरा दिल भी अपने नेशनल स्पोर्ट के लिए उतना ही ज़्यादा धड़कता है अभी भी. सो आई वुड से इट शुड बी अ बिट बैलेंस्ड, बिकॉज दे शुड बी आई अंडरस्टैंड एंटरटेनमेंट, बट आई थिंक देयर कुड बी अ ब्यूटिफुल मिडवे टू मी.
No, I don't. I'm a bathroom singer. I sing in private when nobody can hear me. It changes every day, every morning, and I think I find it very interesting when Abhishek tweets some track that he's listening to, or it's quite interesting because I feel the same way. Every day your music taste keeps changing. I love everything from rock to jazz to, instrumental. So, favorite singer? Oh my God, मैं किसी का नाम नहीं याद रख सकती हूँ. I'm terrible with names. I wish I knew people's names, but I'm terrible with names. Abhi wo actually what I really like right now is the Tum Hi Ho song from Ashiki 2. That's one of my favorite songs. आज मैं रेडियो मिर्ची म्यूजिक अवार्ड्स के लिए आई हूँ and I'm loving it. I'm enjoying the evening and I hope you all enjoy it too. I am speaking for myself when I say I'm here for Radio Mirchi. When I need to speak for myself, I'll do an interview with everybody for myself. Thank you.
So So my name is Swara. So I guess मेरे पेरेंट्स ने प्लान किया था कि ये बच्ची म्यूज़िक से जुड़ी होगी. शायद थोड़ा सा उनका कैलकुलेशन गलत हो गया तो वो म्यूज़िक से दूसरी तरफ पे जुड़ गए, थोड़ी सी बेसुरी हो गई. But no, I love listening to music and I think that this is a great evening. I'm very excited and happy to be here. And a lot of my friends are nominated, so I'm wishing them well. Yeah. Yes, those photographers do as well, it seems. No, I have just one tattoo. जब मैं आई थी बॉम्बे, बहुत सारे पियर्सिंग्स थे नोज़ में और ईयर में, और मैंने हर फिल्म करने के बाद कि पहले मुझे उतारना पड़ता था और फिर मुझे वापस डालना पड़ता था. अपनी नाक 3-4 बार छिदाने के बाद आई वाज लाइक कुछ और करते हैं, परमानेंट था. सो दैट्स हाउ आई गॉट द टैटू. Well, this year I've recently released Highway. I love Pataka. I think that it's a great song. I think it's a song that really describes the young Indian woman and celebrates the young Indian woman in such a lovely way. So yes, thumbs up for that song. And of course, I'm a loyalist, so Ranjana is my favorite album. But I love the song Savarlu from Lutera.
I'm feeling like a ruler of a country and we are addressing the nation right now. There's so many mics in front of us. पहले नरगिस बोलेगी क्योंकि मैंने और इलियाना ने बहुत बोला यार. So नरगिस पहले.
No, don't do this to me.
She's so small.
Yeah, go ahead. She's so small.
I'm eating a candy actually.
It's okay.
Can I give it back?
She might actually counter that
Ask
statement.
your question.
How do we feel being here tonight?
How do you feel being here?
How do you
Nargis?
feel, Nargis?
I feel absolutely amazing being here. Should I wave now?
Yeah,
Like a princess?
No, it's amazing actually being here because we're actually launching the music of our movie really soon on March 4th actually. मैं तेरा हीरो का music launch होने वाला है. So what better way and what better place to come than the Radio Mirchi Awards.
The Mirchi Awards. Apparently, it looks like it, doesn't it? We look amazing in black, don't we?
We didn't coordinate.
We didn't plan this. We didn't plan.
Coming back to your question, I remember Radio Mirchi. I think since it started, Jeetu Raj is someone that I've listened to. I think since the beginning, his crazy and witty behavior. I think everyone knows about. Yeah, actually, they both are really good singers.
Yeah, okay. In the shower only, but you don't know that.
Yeah, I know.
I'm very into music, honestly. It's like my first love, but I will
She's
not
actually a very good singer.
sing. How do you know? You never
you
heard
really?
me sing.
Okay,
He keeps
she's
saying that.
You sing?
He's never.
You sing?
No.
I'll lip sync.
Seriously? You'll make us performing monkeys. Either perform a scene or someone sing and you dance.
Yeah. No, I definitely agree. जैसे कि हमारे पिक्चर में 4 गाने हैं और चारों गानों का जो प्लेसमेंट है बहुत ही इंटीग्रल है पिक्चर के लिए. और अभी तक आज ही पलट जो हमारा लेटेस्ट गाना है आज ही लॉन्च हुआ है, अरिजीत सिंह ने गाया है. सो प्लीज़ लिसन टू द सॉन्ग्स. वी आर वेरी वेरी पम्प्ड अबाउट इट.
Fabulous. Being a member of the jury for the 6th year, I think this year has been very, very exciting in terms of music, films, everything, whatever I've seen. But you know, the best part of the Mirchi Awards is you get to select the best amongst the best by the members of the jury. You are also performers who are directors, who are singers, who are composers, one of them being me. And there have been a lot of discussions per se about the best talent, and we may spring up some surprises as far as the awards are concerned. But some, of course, you know in your heart of hearts, this person, he or she is going to get it. We've kept originality, which is very important. We've kept tune formations, which are melodic. We've kept singers who have been a little edgy, which is also very important. Songs must have done well, but the singers, how much they have contributed, how much has the composer contributed, the lyric writers, what have they done? And there have been album numbers, there have been Sufi numbers, there have been a gamut across the spectrum, and it's been very, very time consuming, and a lot of hard work has gone into it. But the result is going to be fantastic. We have spoken about it. Our take is that we are all standing together and trying to understand and make the producers and the audio companies understand that the amount of hard work that goes into making music, and we are asking for a rightful dues. And hopefully there are some people who are coming around. There have been a lot of discussions on it, and let's hope things work out now. I see that won't be fair because being a member of the jury, but I would put a little shairi, andaz, and whatever comes to my mind about music. कि संगीत बनाना, this is happening right now, okay? संगीत बनाना इतना आसान नहीं. संगीत बनाना इतना आसान नहीं. मेहनत का काम है, तब जाके मिलता है रिवॉर्ड. आपकी रोटी 100% पक्की है. आपकी रोटी 100% पक्की है अगर आपको मिल जाए रेडियो मिर्ची का अवार्ड. So that's what music is all about. All the best.
Well, it's the 6th year, and I've been part of it ever since it evolved 6 years back. And the expectations have grown, and so has the Mirchi Awards. And I think it's going to be a marvelous show tonight, and most genuine awards, because these are awards by the music fraternity itself to our fellow members. So I see it's the best thing to do happen. Well, the newness, the format of melodies, the commerciality aspects, and I mean, whatever touches your heart and whatever makes you feel happy and nice is good music. So I go by that judgment. I like Tum Hi Ho very much this year. It's a melodious number. It's got something new, and it's got a melody and a fresh voice that's made it work. I don't want to give it away, but I'm sure this is going to be shown later on. I've liked Arijit. Arijit, I've been knowing him for a little while now, and I knew that some year it would be his year, and I'm sure this year he's done quite a bit of good work.
Honestly, कोई भी उम्मीद लेकर नहीं आई हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ क्योंकि पहला मिर्ची म्यूजिक अवार्ड है और 3 नॉमिनेशंस मिल गए हैं. सो रियली एक्साइटेड, और बहुत ज़्यादा टफ कंपटीशन है. सबके गाने बहुत अच्छे, सबने बहुत अच्छा गाया है. सो जस्ट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. सभी बहुत अच्छे हैं, बट माय पर्सनल फेवरेट है श्रेया जी. सुन रहा है ना, एंड आई थिंक दैट हैज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग चांस.
मैं 4 साल से आ रहा हूँ, लेकिन द बेस्ट पार्ट इज टुडे इवन आई हैव नॉमिनेटेड फॉर बेस्ट एल्बम, एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी हैप्पी मोमेंट फॉर मी. सो थैंक यू गाइस, विश मी लक. थैंक यू. आई थिंक मैं एक जूरी मेंबर भी हूँ. दैट ऑल्सो मेक्स मी feels very special about the whole thing, and ये musical award है ना. Of course I'm a musical man, so that's also makes me special. मैं तो सब देखता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे entertainment चाहिए, so I love entertainment. मैं WWE के matches भी देखता हूँ. मुझे पता है कि वो भी fix है, लेकिन फिर भी we enjoy watching them. So more importantly, enjoy the cricket and enjoy the fun. I'm okay with everything. Entertainment होना चाहिए.
This year, of course, been some fantastic music as always, but I think what takes my heart is the very retro feel to the song called Savarlu from Lutera. I think that's nice.
I don't think there's anybody in Bollywood, in the Indian film industry, who's part of films and not close to music. I think we all actors, actresses, music directors, producers, directors, even cinematographers, we're all close to music. You can't have movies without music in India.
Well, I do love all the songs of Ashiki. That's, I think, a very common, popular. I think अभी वही होगा, because क्या हुआ है that मैंने किसी को कहा कि अगर it doesn't win, I'll be pleasantly surprised and shocked. Unless there's a song that has been missed by all of us, तो पता नहीं है. But अभी तो वो it's like a haunting tune that just goes on and on and on. So I think, yeah, Ashiki 2. I like हम तेरे बिन नहीं रह सकते, and I also like actually the entire album. It's a compilation. Yeah, bit गुनगुनाना.
100% Mika Singh is gonna steal the show. 100% Mika is gonna steal the show, and since music is very close to me, that's one of the reasons I am here. I am so looking forward for Sonu Nigam and Manish Paul hosting the show, and there are a lot of veteran singers, there are a lot of talented singers. Arjit Singh is here, he's performing, Mika Singh is performing, so I'm like all excited to see them all live and root for them. I really like Nagara song, which is, I like the melody of it. Since I'm a Gujarati, I love the melody of it, and I like all the songs of Mika Singh because it's all hard hitting, it's all hit the dance floor kind of an attitude music, so I like.
No, yeah, I think we all understand the emotion of the person who receives the award, and obviously I think he should be allowed to speak because it's a special moment for that person.
I think everyone's got something really special to offer. Not that I'm being, correct or polite, but really there's so much of different sound and different voices which have got something so special to offer. Each one of them have something really special to offer. But of course, my favorite is Arijit Singh. Now that you're asking me, I had to be honest with you. Even though Tumhi is a beautiful, beautiful song, it is really popular. But I just love the way he sung Barish Ke, from the film, that Barish Ke Aansu. IPL. Now that is a very questionable thing. But more than jeetna or harna, I think the way they play the game, it's very entertaining. 2020 itself is a very entertaining form of format. So that format itself is entertaining if you don't worry about who's going to win or who's going to lose. I think it's nice every move of every cricketer because there's an ensemble of cricketers from different parts of the world getting together as a team. So that's what makes it like a very exclusive and novel kind of a thing. So I think we should enjoy the way they play. बिल्कुल जो क्रिकेट के आर्डेंट फैंस होते हैं हार्डकोर, क्योंकि मैं क्रिकेट की इतनी ज़्यादा हार्डकोर फ़ैन नहीं हूँ, पर लेकिन जो क्रिकेट के आर्डेंट फैंस हैं उनके लिए ये थोड़ी सी चीटिंग हो जाएगी. बट समबडी लाइक मी जिनको टेक्निक और खेलने की अदाओं और स्टाइल में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है, आई वुडंट रियली केयर. बट आई थिंक जो लोग फैंस हैं उनके लिए तो बहुत ही इट्स एन एब्सोल्यूट नो नो फॉर देम.
Well, I think इस वक्त बैट तो नहीं अच्छा सुझाई दे रहा है क्योंकि म्यूज़िक फ्रेटर्निटी का जो सम्मान रेडियो मिर्ची हर साल करता है इन सच अ लार्ज बिग वे दैट इज़ वर्थ अपलॉडिंग. और बाकी वो रेडियो मिर्ची के जो बैड आरजेस हैं उन सभी को पर्सनली लोगों को देखने का मौका मिलता है, इंटरेक्ट करने का मौका मिलता है, एंड हाउ वंडरफुली टैलेंटेड दे आर. And my best wishes to all the music fraternity. I'm here to applaud and sit there and clap at their achievements. Film Yaariyan. The music track of Film Yaariyan is very, very good. It's also a hit. The film is a hit. The music is a hit. And on top of it, I'm in the movie. So, sorry? देखिए, अपनी चीज़ तो बहुत अच्छी लगती है, हमेशा अच्छी लगती है, और उसके लिए करेज चाहिए होता है ये कहने के लिए कि चूँकि मेरी चीज़ है इसलिए मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छी लग रही है. मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ यारियाँ में, उसके साथ साथ इट हैपन्स टू बी कि म्यूज़िक बहुत अच्छा है इस फिल्म का. वो यो हनी सिंह का वो गाना दिल है पानी पानी और ब्लू है पानी पानी. रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड चीज़ें होंगी, चाहे अवार्ड ले लीजिए, IPL ले लीजिए, दूसरी भी कोई चीज़ें ले लीजिए, वहाँ पर हमेशा ये एक्यूज़ किया जाएगा कि कुछ इसमें फिक्सिंग है, कुछ इसमें सब मिलजुल के हो रहा है. तो कहाँ तक सही है कहाँ तक गलत है मुझे तो पता नहीं. हाँ, लेकिन ये है कि ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए. अवार्ड्स को लेकर भी कहते हैं लोग, जिन्हें अवार्ड नहीं मिलता वो कहते हैं कि सब सेट है, फिक्सिंग है, और इसी तरह से क्रिकेट को लेकर दूसरी चीज़ों को लेकर बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. डिजर्विंग मस्ट विन.
I've just come here with a lot of expectations towards the performances tonight, and a lot of friends are performing. So yes, I'm going to cheer for them, and may all the best people win tonight. There are lots of beautiful songs. I actually cannot choose one single song. So, but I love. Film music में ये जवानी है दीवानी tracks, I genuinely love all those tracks, and I can't pick one, lots of songs. Spiciest singer of the year. For me, always I love Sunidhi, so I always will pick her name because I genuinely love her. So yeah, she is.